Trying Aussie skincare. This line was founded by Olivia Newton-John. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On my channel, I cover makeup, skincare, occasionally fashion, travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. Well, tell me, have you heard of Retreatment Botanics? If you're in the US, you probably haven't, unless you're a fan of the founder, the late great Olivia Newton-John. This is the package I got in the mail the other day, all the way from Australia. Right now, there's no American distributor for this. I've been wanting to try it for a long time. Somehow recently I got inspired to. I don't think there's ever been a celebrity death that hit me as hard as Olivia's. I've been a fan since I was a teenager. I loved, of course, Grease and Physical and even the music before Grease. But for me, my appreciation of Olivia didn't stop there. I still enjoyed her newer releases, her personal albums such as Grace and Gratitude, Gaia, and Stronger Than Before. But this brand is one of her passions. She's always cared about nature, about animals, about the environment. And about 15, actually I think 18 years ago, she founded a spa in Australia called Gaia. One of the things she wanted to include in the spa was an original brand of skincare. So a few years after founding the spa, Olivia teamed up with Trudi Jaye, who is a skincare expert, a dermal scientist, and they created this line. So here are the products that I decided to order. I've been using them for about 5 days now. I really love them. I think they make my skin feel radiant and glow. It just feels like I'm doing something really good for my skin. I do feel like it's a little bit healthier since I've been using them. Let me tell you a little bit about each one. Before I show you all my products, I want to introduce you a little bit to the brand. You know, I never actually got to meet Olivia in person. I did see her in concert a couple of times, but I always dreamed of maybe being able to interview her. So indulge me for a minute while I cut to a clip of her explaining this brand.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Newton-John, and I'm so excited to share with you Retreatment Botanics, our all-natural, healthy skincare range designed by our team at Gaia Retreatment Spa in the Byron Bay hinterland. We've worked with leading skin scientists to develop a range featuring powerful native Australian extracts that deliver real results and are good for you and the planet. We wanted to offer you a pure, effective skincare range that also evokes the feeling of a luxurious spa experience in your own home. I believe everyone should have the ability to treat their skin with the highest quality ingredients that really work. I loved seeing the real results on my own skin. I really hope you love using these products as much as I do.
Retreatment Botanics offers 2 different cleansers. I could not decide which one to get, so I was really thrilled to find out they offered samples. So I got a sample first of the Radiance Cream Cleanser and then of the Purifying Gel Cleanser. So far, I love them both. The samples, they're not very big, but there's enough in here because when you wet your skin, you only use a little tiny bit. I think each one of these is going to last me a month. This is the cream cleanser. It has a very slight herbal fragrance to it, but everything is natural. There's no artificial fragrance. It feels really, really good on my skin. And this is the gel cleanser. See, it's just a clear gel. Again, slightly fragrant, very natural, very pure feeling. So what I do first is I cleanse my face using one of these cleansers and water. After that is done, once every 3 or 4 days, so far I've used this twice, this is the refining face polish. This was actually a free gift at the time I bought it. I think it was a special they offered for a couple of weeks. So what you do with this, you put a small amount on your face after it's clean and rub it in circular motions. It says you can leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. That's what I did. I've used it twice so far, and each time after removing it, I feel like I've just had a nice refreshing mask. It exfoliates the dead skin cells, but in a very gentle way. My face was not at all red or sensitive. It just felt really, really clean. The next product I put on is the serum. This is the Restore Serum, and it comes in this little container. It's just a nice little liquid. I just found using about 3 to 4 drops. Rub it on my face. Start with the forehead, all over the face and the neck. Just a little bit goes a long way. It just makes your skin feel very soft. It adds all of these tremendous nutrients to the skin. This vitamin-rich serum features Amazonian buriti fruit, native sandalwood seed, and wild rosella for vibrant, radiant, glowing skin. And that's really how it makes your skin feel. I'm loving this stuff. The next thing, after the serum, is the eye cream. This is the serum and the eye cream are 2 items that Olivia listed as her favorites.
For those of you who don't use eye cream, I have to tell you, I live by it. This is the one step I never ever miss. Even if I don't put anything else on my face, I always use the eye cream, and I use it on other delicate parts of my face. This is our Firming Eye Contour Cream with green coffee extract from our glorious Byron Bay. I've always believed in the power of eye cream because the skin under our eyes is much more delicate and tender than any other parts of our face. So this is like a step that I never miss. No matter how busy I am, don't forget your eye cream.
If you notice, in recent videos, when she was in her 70s, and even after being re-diagnosed with the stage 4 cancer, her skin still glowed. She just had this radiant look about her. Now, I know she did occasionally indulge in injections, but it went beyond that. It's just the whole texture of her skin just seemed to glow. And I think this type of products is one of the reasons for that. This is the Firming Eye Contour Cream, and it's just a little, this little white cream. Take this and basically rub it all under the eyes I start with, and then I'll go and rub along the eyelids as well. Rub it anywhere you may get lines, crow's feet, bags, dark circles, anything, and this just helps your eyes just de-stress, relax, and the skin makes the skin just smoother, firmer, just overall a little more radiant. And then the final step using this is this ultra rich moisturizer. This is the bottle of this. Again, this is also a cream. I only use a few drops. This is probably going to last a long time. And I put this all over my face, neck, décolletage. It really is just this nice, soothing night cream or day cream. It's one you can use day or night. If you use it in the morning, I do recommend using a little sunscreen later with your makeup or after your makeup, because this does not include a sunscreen. However, it's just a wonderful, healthy, natural, clean ingredients. So overall, I'm loving this. I've used it about 5 days, like I said, and I'm going to continue using it on a regular basis. And I do feel like it's making my skin glow. It feels healthy, feels like I'm doing something good, not only for my skin, but for the planet as well. But I highly recommend this. If you want to try something new, refreshing, and healthy for your skin, go ahead and go to retreatmentbotanics.com and give it a try. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid in any way for this. I bought the products. They weren't given to me, but I just really, really love them. So that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you please give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.